friends, it's your girl, Desndes. Welcome to Desndes. Today we're going to be talking about the letter E. The letter E makes the S sound. Eh, eh, eh. Say it with me. Eh, eh. Eh, eh. Fantastic. You know any words that start with the letter E? Let's think about it. Egg. Egg, egg, egg. I like eating eggs for breakfast. What else? Elephant. Right here. Elephant. I went to the zoo the other day and I saw an elephant. It was so huge and big. What else starts with the letter E? 8. Eight. 8 is a number. 11. 11. 11 is also a number. Ear. Ear starts with the letter E. I use my ears to hear. Hey, Sister Recon. You know what sound the letter E makes? Good job. Hey, baby Recon. You know anything that starts with the letter E? Egg. Egg. Good girl. Good job. So friends, the letter E makes the S sound. E is for egg. E is for elephant. E is for 8. E is for 11. E is for ear. E is for eagle. E is for everyone. Like, bye everyone. That's all the time we have today. Thank you so much for running with me. I had a great time. See you on next time on Desndes. Bye.